doing? I'm Lynn, and I am here today to show you how I maintain my mini twists and basically how I just refresh them as the days go on. If this is your first time ever watching one of my YouTube videos, then girlfriend or boyfriend, feel free to subscribe because it's free 99 and I do drop quality videos with quality content. Also hit the notification bell so every single time I drop a video you will be notified. So without any further ado, I'm about to turn around so y'all can see my semi mini twists. My twists have already been installed for almost a week now, and this is what they look like with little to no touch up. So first things first, I only use 2 products these days to refresh my twists, and I know some people probably never heard of this, so I might be putting y'all on to something, but I stopped re-wetting my 2-strand twists, my mini twists in general, because I have found that it really just creates more frizz as the days go by for my hair and for my needs. And I really just feel like if I'm going to be wetting my hair, I better be trying to really lock them up. And since I'm not locking this set, I really do want for my hair to thrive throughout the days and the weeks of my 2-strand twists. So I use Mousse. I use Mousse to refresh my hair. So what I am about to do is zoom in so y'all can see what my hair is currently looking like as a close-up, and then I'm going to also be using oil on my hair. I use oil predominantly on my scalp. This is the Ottawa Beauty Bailment, the Bailment Oil Blend. I am just going to pull my hair up, and we're going to work on some of the back frizzies first. But I mean, if you really like this look, I like it. You don't have to retouch it up. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you what I do. So we're going to go into these, and I like to twirl them the opposite way and take them apart. I take the mousse of choice, and this one I'm using is the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. And if you are looking for it, I will have it linked in the description box below. But it's normally at any one of your local beauty supply stores. So I'm going to just take that twist, and I'm going to take the mousse, take it all the way down the hair strand. And you could, the best thing about it is you can do as much or as little as you want. Smooth it on and twist. Be careful not to grab any stray hairs depending on how your twists are. And I just twist. And it's as simple as that, and I just follow that up throughout my entire head, whatever twist I want to refresh. And it really molds those twists into place. Now it is time to apply the oil of choice, and I am going to go ahead on. And when I'm doing this, I only do it like once within the week that I have installed. So since I had put these in last week, this would be like the second time I done oil my scalp. And I don't do too much oil, just enough. Just enough. You want to just press it into it, into the scalp, rub it into it, not disturbing your twist. At this time, I do tell myself, well, I speak to my hair, you will grow, you will flourish, you will be nourished. You will grow, you will flourish, you will be nourished. You will grow, you will flow, you will grow. I got foam in my hands. You will grow. You will be moisturized, you will be nourished. And baby, that's what we do, okay? So this, I will pull my hair back and I will band it. That will give me as much stretch as I desire. I don't overband the hair because I don't like all the lumps within my twists. I like my twists to just look how they need to look. They're not too perfect. They still have the frizz thing going on. And I'm going to just take this out because a lot of y'all already know how to band. Okay. And here you have it. With my two-strand twist, I do not strive for perfection. I still do love to have that frizzy look to it. And I also do love to just already know that my hair is lightweight and not overly saturated with product. If you add too much product during the days or the weeks of you having your twist in, then when you take them down, you will see all the film on the hair. And I'm not saying that what I'm doing is the best method for you. It might not be, you know, but this is what I do, and I just hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you did, let me know, what two-strand twist method do you use on your natural hair? Like, as far as when do you know it's time for you to take them out? How long do you leave them in? And just let me know, did you enjoy this video overall? So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them in the comment box below. I'm signing on out of this piece now. Bye.